A DPP lawmaker has suggested that Taiwanese passports should get a record of trips to China as a public health measure. He says that having no marker is a gap in the fight against coronavirus. The Mainland Affairs Council is lukewarm about the idea, stressing the potential complexity of implementing the change.
Taiwan has suffered from travel bans in Vietnam and the Philippines, an unexpected symptom of the One China principle. DPP Legislator Wang Ting-yu says Taiwanese passports should be marked to indicate their owner has been to China as a public health move.
Philippine 曾经提出说
The Philippine representative mentioned one reason that Taiwanese citizens were banned. He said on Taiwanese passports there's no record of trips to China, the epidemic region. Could the records that are kept be instantly reproduced in the electronic chip and show on the passport? This needs to be discussed, because of course we hope nothing will happen. But if one day there's an incident in Taiwan, China won't be able to see which Chinese citizens came here on their passports either. Personally, I think it's over the top. They already take your temperature whenever you enter or leave a country. China is a different country, so it is kind of odd that we have this special method for crossing their border. I think it would be better to use a passport stamp, and of course better for public health too.
The Mainland Affairs Council has responded to say that although there is no mark on passports, records of trips to China are all kept electronically. Changing the system would affect consular affairs as well as practicalities at borders and would need comprehensive discussion between relevant parties.
Every country has a record of who has crossed their border. If you honestly report it when questioned, there won't be any problem. This is a classic case of over-egging the pudding, making work where there is none. I think that there is no opposition to public health measures from anybody in Taiwan, whether politicians or the general public. So as public health is our top priority, I think lawmakers will support anything that's required across party lines as long as it can be carried out in practice. Let's have our passports give a clear, detailed record of our travel history. Actually, other countries all require this for public health as well as anti-terror purposes.
The virus has become a catalyst to re-examine glossed-over idiosyncrasies in the special cross-strait relationship.